Welcome back to Road Ready Reviews, where innovation meets indulgence, and we explore machines that stretch the boundaries of luxury and technology. Today, we're taking you into the world of ultra-premium motorhomes with a vehicle that turns every journey into a five-star escape. This is the 2026 Farrier RV, a bold new entry in the high-luxury motorhome scene that combines futuristic intelligence, handcrafted detail, and uncompromised comfort. The 2026 Farrier RV is built for those who expect more from their travels: more space, more innovation, and more elegance. From the first glance, it's clear this isn't just a mobile home, it's a rolling statement of power and refinement. The exterior features a sculpted carbon aluminum hybrid shell with active aerodynamic flaps, precision-cut chrome accents, and integrated ambient lighting that gives the entire silhouette a glowing, futuristic edge. Its sleek form is more reminiscent of a high-end yacht than a traditional RV, exuding prestige from every angle. Beneath this captivating shell lies an all-new electric diesel hybrid powertrain, developed specifically for long-range, high-efficiency travel. A 12.9-liter turbocharged diesel engine works in sync with dual electric motors and regenerative braking to offer quiet propulsion, reduced emissions, and exceptional range, up to 1,000 miles between refuels and recharges. Coupled with adaptive air suspension and torque vectoring for each wheel, the Farrier delivers a smooth, composed ride regardless of road conditions or terrain. But the real magic of the Farrier RV begins when you step inside. The cabin is a breathtaking fusion of modern aesthetics and traditional craftsmanship. Walnut wood inlays meet brushed titanium fixtures, while ceiling-to-floor windows flood the space with natural light. The main salon features a customizable smart glass ceiling that can become opaque, tinted, or display celestial simulations for immersive nighttime ambience. Seating is handled by zero-gravity recliners upholstered in quilted Napa leather with full-body massage functionality. In the living area, you'll find a 98-inch 8K micro-LED display that retracts into a marble-accented media wall. Audio comes from a multi-zone studio-grade system developed in partnership with Bang & Olufsen, ensuring crystal-clear sound whether you're watching a movie, enjoying music, or hosting a gathering. Climate control, lighting, window opacity, and even scent diffusion are managed through the onboard AI concierge, Astra, which learns your preferences and adjusts the environment in real time. The kitchen would make any chef proud, with a dual induction range, smart oven, and compact but powerful espresso station. Custom drawers keep everything secure and organized while in motion, and a smart pantry tracks inventory and suggests recipes based on available ingredients. Across from the galley, a dinette with extendable surfaces comfortably seats six and converts into a workspace or guest sleeping quarters. The rear suite is the Farrier's crown jewel. A California king-size bed with active posture adjustment is surrounded by suede-paneled walls, integrated reading nooks, and discreet storage solutions. The ensuite bathroom includes a rainfall shower with chromotherapy lighting, a heated bidet toilet combo, and marble countertops that feel like they belong in a luxury hotel. The 2026 Farrier RV isn't just a motorhome. It's a reimagined luxury residence on wheels. For those who dream beyond traditional limits, this is the ultimate expression of freedom, elegance, and technological genius. Enjoyed this review? Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert car insights here on Road Ready Reviews.